So guys, good morning, good evening, welcome back to a new video. Before we even start the video, make sure you click subscribe. We're about to start off another little project, I think. So over here is Hannah's 1 Series BMW. She uses this, that's just like a daily car every day. Obviously she used to have the TT and we turned it into that. So she's given me permission now just to make this look pretty cool. So I think we should make it sort of like a stealth look. We're going to do the first very step today because we've got a few parts today that we can do and we can modify. Well, the first thing we've got to actually do is clean it because it is absolutely filthy, if you can see. But the first modification, what we should do is actually we're going to de-chrome this. We're going to wrap the chrome out of here. But yeah, so let's get cleaning. The 1 Series is finally clean, and it is actually, the paint isn't in that bad condition. I mean, you can't really see on camera, but it's quite shiny and like a metallic, so maybe might not need to be wrapped. I don't think we might just keep it black. But first things first, let's just de-chrome this. That'll be the first mod we do on this, so let's hope it goes well. Let's get to it. So I think all we need to take this off is literally a screwdriver, and I'm just going to like sort of pry at the back of it to pop it off. Oh, we're out, and no broken clips. We're all good. So now we've got the chrome here. We've just got to separate the chrome from the actual grill. So they're just on clips. Yeah. Oh, so yeah, there's the chrome off. Now this has got to be wrapped. Let's go do that. That is one completely wrapped. That's quite good. But yeah, though, that's looking very good. So now we've got to just connect it back onto that, which I'll do right now. Just connecting all of these back up. They just clip back on. Look at that. So that will go in there like that. Pushes back in. That is looking so much better. Looks like it's lost a nostril, but it just looks so much more aggressive with just the black on the front. Looks loads better. Right, let me do the same for the second one, and I'll check back with you once that is done. So 3, 2, 1, and bang, it's done. So put it down. Oh yeah, that is looking 10 times better. Look at that. All blacked out on the front now. I think what's letting us down is these headlights, definitely. They just look old. Maybe we'll get some xenon ones. Put some xenons in there. So last week we uploaded the first like little series of the BMW 1 Series modifications that we're going to be doing, and this week we've actually picked up some wheels. So I'm just going to get straight into it. I'm going to go outside, I'm going to show you the wheels, and we're going to fit them, and we're going to see how they look. We're hopefully trying to achieve some sort of stealth look here. So let's go outside. Right, before we go outside, make sure you have hit the subscribe button if you're following this little series along, or even if you're following me for the TT or any of the other videos. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let's head outside now and let's just fit these wheels. Let's go. Well guys, I've just gone outside to have a look. I was going to take the wheels off and paint the the actual wheel hub and the calipers before I put the new wheels on. But looks like, I don't know where the locking wheel nut key should be, but I don't think we've ever taken the wheels off on this car since we've had it, and yeah, it's not here, so looks like we're gonna have to order a new one. So I've just called Sytner, Leicester, and apparently they try and keep most of the locking wheel nut keys in stock. So I'm just going to take a drive down there now, get a locking wheel nut key, and then hopefully we can get this video finally moving. Right, here we come. Let's hope we don't get ripped off here. Where do I park? Well, let's see how much this is going to be. I can't see it being too much, it's just a little bolt, isn't it? So let's get in there and get out, and let's get these wheels off. So it's not in stock, but they're ordering it for tomorrow. £10.80, not bad at all. I was expecting something, I was expecting more like 40 quid or something like that, but no, £10.80. So we'll have to pick it up tomorrow, and we'll have to continue this video maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day, I don't know, maybe Monday evening. Yeah, we'll see you when I see you. So Hannah has got a locking wheel nut. So let's fit the alloys right now, let's do it. 3, 2, 1, bang, wow. Look at it, it's completely changed the look of the car. This is just one side so far. One side, but we'll get it all down and all even. At the minute it looks really high at the back just because we've got the other side on. But, I mean, we definitely, come on, focus, man. We definitely are going to have to paint the inside here of the hub and the calipers. Definitely we need to be painting that. Maybe we should paint some red, just add a bit of colour to the car or something like that. The calipers, that is, and then paint that black. Definitely, I think that's probably a good idea with the full black, but it's looking good. Let's get the other side on, and then we're all good for today. That is looking sick. That is looking sick. So they are 18-inch. We're running 225/40s on the front. On the rear, they're also 18-inch, obviously, but they're running 255 35/18s. So they're a bit wider on the back. They are quite chunky on the back. That is looking sick. All blacked out. I think that's the result. Time for a thumbnail. But I think that's going to be the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. For more mods on this, make sure you click subscribe, make sure you hit the like button. Any suggestions, put in the comments below. Thanks for watching the video. Peace out.